If you're a content creator looking to speed up your video production using AI, two popular tools you have probably come across are HeyGen and Pictory. Both are designed to make videos creation easier, but they serve different purposes and shine in different areas. HeyGen is best known for creating talking head videos with AI avatars. It lets you type in your script and generate a video where a realistic virtual presenter speaks your words with a natural lip syncing and gestures. This is perfect for tutorials, product demos, or explainer videos where having a human like face adds trust and engagement without needing to film yourself. Picturing, meanwhile, is more focused on turning long form content like blog posts, webinars, or podcasts into short, shareable videos. Using AI, it automatically extracts key points from your text or audio and matches them with the relevant stock footage, captions, and voiceovers. This tool is fantastic if you want to repurpose your existing content quickly, creating eye catching social clips for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Both platforms offer intuitive interfaces, easy video export options, and some customization. HeyGen allows you to pick different avatars and voices, while Pictory offers a flexible editing for visuals and captions. Choosing between them depends on your content needs. If your goal is to create videos with a virtual presenter that feels personal and professional, HeyGen is the way to go. But if you want to save time turning articles or podcasts into engaging videos for social media, Picture is likely your best bet. Many creators found value in using both tools, HeyGen for polished, presenter style videos, and Picture for fast content repurposing. If you want a full walkthrough of either tool, pricing comparisons, or help deciding which fits your content strategy, hit like and follow and leave your questions below.